Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we diving into a really useful trick how to load drivers during a Windows installation using just a Linux system. I walked through downloading the right drivers, preparing them using Linux, and loading them during Windows setup. So, if you're stuck with a missing driver on the screen or it not load during the setup, don't worry, Linux is to the rescue. Let's get started. First of all, you need some tools to install in your system. First one, we must have a Windows bootable USB. I'm using Windows. If you want to install Windows in your system, you can use yarn dash capital S ventoy-bin. You can use this command to install Windows. Then we need a software called flatpak. Flatpak is a universal package manager. We need flatpak for installing software called Portals. Portals is a wide graphical interface to run Windows app. Then we need to find out your system model name. For me, I use neofetch. You can see the host under the host session. As use stuff F15 FH15 6HF. You need to copy the model. If you don't show this, you need to find on Google. Then head out to Chrome, then paste this, and you will see the first link. For me, I got for first link, and you need to find Intel Rapid storage technology. The software is under the chipset. You need to click show all, and you can download this. I already downloaded that. Then you need to open Portals. Then you need to click on add and select your application. I already done that, so if I do it again, it will take long for complete the environment. So then you need to click on run executable. Then head over to the software, the drivers that you are installed from the web, and click on run. Then the setup will be pop up. Then click on OK, click on next, click on I agree and next. You need to extract, click on extract, then click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next. Finished. Then you need to click on the option button, and then you need to browse file, and you need to open it in a file manager. For me, I am using Dolphin. Then you need to click on dot for current directory. Click on OK. You will see the bottles files. You need to copy this and paste it in the window or your USB. You can see this is my ISO. This is my driver. You need to copy this and paste it in window. Then you need to restart your system and go to a Windows setup. Then you need to select your USB from your bootable menu. Then you will head out to grab interface. Then you need to enter, you need to boot in normal mode. You need to wait for a second. Then you need to select your language. I am selecting India. Then you need to click on next. Click on next. I agree everything. It will delete my included files and applications. Click on next. Then we need to wait for a bit. Click on I agree. You need to wait for a bit. You can see it showing only my USB. If you need to show all of your devices, head over to load drivers, click on browse, click on ventoy, and you can see the driver folder and click on this and click on OK. You can see I have the two drivers. If you don't have any list, you can click on this hide drivers that aren't compatible with the computer hardware. If you click this, you will see more list. That means you downloaded the wrong drivers. You can figure it out like that. Then you need to click on the first thing and you have to click on install. Then it will searching for drivers, and you can see all the drivers are actually loaded. So if you watching this, if you like this video, click on thumbs up, and thank you for watching.